Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the Rukka Worsley glove. Okay, so as you know with Rukka, it's known as a waterproof, warm winter, all-weather product. This is one of their active products, the Rukka Worsley glove. No waterproof membrane in this one, so it's full summer product. However, with Rukka, as you know, there's always extra features. So let's walk you through some of the features of the glove. Short cuff, so it is a full summer glove, so you can get air going up the arm, keep your jacket nice and cool inside. Running up the back, you've got reflective glass beading here, so that's going to give you a bit of active safety on the glove and a bit on the fingers as well. So again, that's going to reflect any car's lights off there, so they'll be able to see you. Bit of active safety, extra protection built in. Running up the back of the glove, full leather construction, full leather overlay on the knuckle to allow for sliding extra, so it gives you great protection on the knuckle area. It's fully CE approved, as you'd expect from Rukka, with a foam layer underneath, so you can go full fist, still comfortable, it's fitting around the knuckles perfectly. If you look at some cheaper gloves, if you do that, it can really dig on the knuckles, but these quality product from Rukka, nice and comfortable for all areas. If we spin it back round, on the palm, you've got full leather. So again, some gloves will put a textile on the palm, not with this glove, it's full leather, it's going to give you all the protection you need running through the whole of the palm. Leather overlay on the impact point here on the slide, and also in this little cup here, gives you extra grip on the throttle and the handlebars so you can control the bike better. So full grip around here. Has got a system where you can use your touch screens on your iPhones or your Android devices, Garmin's, TomToms, all that sort of thing. So you can use touchscreens with these gloves on. They have got that baked into the product on the thumb and the first finger. Running around down the back of the thumb, full stretch panel to allow your thumb full dexterity to get to all the controls on your handlebars. As we all know, bikes are getting more complicated now with more controls on the handlebars. That's going to give you full dexterity to allow you to touch any of those controls. Finally, built into this glove is a McFit system. So you've got a full line inside this leather glove. So it's easier to slide your hand into and out of, wicks the sweat away better and makes it much more comfortable inside the product. I highly recommend getting to store and trying a pair of these on because they are super comfortable and very well fitted. So that's the Rukka Worsley glove. For any more information on this glove or any of the Rukka range, go to bikerheadz.co.uk. Please like and subscribe below.